Hello everyone, my name is Mylene and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do another unboxing of my new ukulele. Yay! Na-receive ko to last Friday, I think. Last week, hindi last Friday. So na-receive ko siya but I didn't have the time to unbox my ukulele. So today we're going to do the unboxing. But before that, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you will get notified whenever I have new videos. So binili ko siya last September at na-deliver siya last Friday. Pero hindi ako nagkaroon ng time to open the box. So today, I'm going to open it. Let's go! By the way, I ordered this from Amazon.ae. Naka-Prime member ako, kaya pwede akong order sa US. At free ang shipping. Siyempre! Laki ng box, oh. Kala mo ang bigat, diba? Pero magaang lang siya. Yan. Kayang-kaya ko ng buhati na isang kamay, diba? Ang liit lang ng laman. Ang laki ng box. Hindi ko alam kung bakit nilagyan to, nilagay. Parang mami yung ukulele. Actually, yung ukulele na to, wala siyang kasamang kahit ano. Ayan, para makita niyo yung mami ukulele. Yan. Wala siyang laman. Wala siyang kasamang iba. Wala. Walang free. All lots. So, ayan. Ito na yung ukulele. From Caramel. Caramel yung brand ng ukulele. It's a concert ukulele. And it's electric. Ito yung una kong electric ukulele. Una. Una daw. Oo, una. Una pa lang. Sana may kasunod pa. Kamingay, ha? So, pakita natin ang laman ng aking ukulele. Make sure na buo kasi kung hindi, ibabalik ko. So, ito na siya. Yan. It's a zebra style camel ukulele. Sorry, caramel pala. Caramel, hindi camel. Caramel ukulele. Yan. Pero at least nakabox siya. Kasi galing pa to ng malayo. So, pero wala siyang kasamang gig bag or nalaglag. Wala siyang kasamang gig bag or tuner, whatever. Basta ukulele lang siya. So, yan. Meron naman siyang pad dito sa ibabaw. Tsaka sobrang laki ng box niya. Nakita niyo naman, di ba? So, later on, gagawa ko ng review for this ukulele. Ipapakita ko sa inyo kung anong mga parts niya at kung gaano kahaganda ang headstock niya dahil ito yung headstock na wala pa ako. So, ipi-play ko siya, i-tune ko siya, and later on, gagawa ako ng review. Okay? So, thank you for watching my unboxing. If you have any suggestions or questions, please leave a comment down below. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I am also available on Instagram and on Facebook. So thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye!